Hello dear students, how are you all? Hope all of you are fine, enjoying also. I'm here with the chapter 7. The name of the chapter is The Invention of Vita Wonk by Roald Dahl, right? In this story, we'll come to know about a scientist who invented medicine, and we'll come to know what happened after application or after taking that medicine, right? Mr. Willy Wonka was a scientist, right? He first invented a tonic, Wonka White. So the first invented tonic was medicine was Wonka White. And what was the reaction? Which made people younger. But it was such a powerful medicine that many people disappeared after their age went in minus. This medicine, whichever tonic he invented, after taking that, people went back to their beginning age, minus age. So many of them disappeared also. So it's not good. Suppose a man, he is 55 years old, and after taking that tonic, if he went back at the age of 1 year or 0, then what will happen? So because of that, he thought कि I have to invent another medicine which will help people to grow or to become grown up, right? One person even became minus 87. Once what happened, a person who was 87 years old, after taking that tonic, he went back at the 0 age. So after that, you have to wait again 87 years to go back, to come back its age. समझ में आ रहा है? उनके एज पे पहुंचने के लिए, सपोज वो 87 ईयर्स का भी था और वो मेडिसिन लेने के बाद 0 एज पे पहुंच गया 1 ईयर में, या उस कभी कभी उससे भी पहले, मतलब वो डिसअपेयर हो चुके हैं, दुनिया से जा चुके हैं। तो उनको क्या करना है कि उनको फिर वेट करना पड़ेगा 87 ईयर्स तक. So because of that, Willy Wonka decided to invent a new thing to undo the harm. He had to make people old. So what he has to do, what he planned, कि after taking that medicine, people are sometimes they are out of the word, or sometimes they are at the 0 age or 1 year. So again they have to wait till these many years to be at his or her own age. अपना एज पे फिर पहुंचने के लिए इतना सालों तक वेट करना पड़ेगा. So this is not possible and this is very harmful. Okay, so because of that he decided, I will invent another medicine, another tonic, after taking which that after taking that tonic, people will become older. He wanted to know what the oldest living thing in the world was, or what lived longer than anything else. So उन्होंने क्या क्या सर्च करना स्टार्ट किया कि सबसे पुराना चीज़ क्या है, what are the oldest living thing in the world. So for that, what you have to do, his assistant, he was having assistants, he asked him, his assistant Charlie named Tree. उन्होंने ट्री का नाम बताया, he named Tree, but the question emerged, which tree? It was certainly not the fir, oak or cedar. So it was a tree called bristlecone that grew in Nevada, USA. So the tree, it is not available here and there, it is in USA. The place's name is Nevada. Okay, so he has to, or they had to go there to collect that tree. Okay, such trees were 4,000 years old. Wonka got into his great glass elevator and rushed all over the world. अपने ग्रेट ग्लास एलिवेटर में बैठा और पूरा वर्ल्ड घूमने के लिए निकल पड़ा टू कलेक्ट दैट स्पेशल आइटम्स विच आर ओल्डेस्ट एंड very old living things, right? Now, first he was to collect the tree, right? So, second thing he was to collect toenails of a farmer who was 168 years old. A farmer who was 168 years old, his toenails has to collect. You know ना, पैर के जो बड़ी उंगली है उसके nails collect करना है. That also he collected. Tree also he collected. Next, third thing he collected, tortoise, 200 years old tortoise egg. A tortoise which was 200 years old. उसके अंडे कलेक्ट करना था. That also he collected. Next he collected 51-year-old a horse. Okay, horse tail of 51 years old. 51 years old के जो एक हॉर्स है उसके पूंछ लेना है, वो भी कलेक्ट किया है. Now what happened? A cat of 36 years old. कैट भी उसको लेना था. कैट के जो विस्कर्स है, विस्कर्स वो भी लेना था. और दैट कैट वाज 36 years old. नेक्स्ट, कैट के ऊपर small insects which we can find in animals body, that he collected. That flea was on the cat's body, so that also he collected, and that was of 36 years old. That 36-year-old, right? Now seventh thing he collected, a rat of 207 years old. Can you imagine? A tail of a rat whose age was 207 years old. Now, after that he collected black teeth of a cat and whose age was 97 years old. Okay, it's woman, old woman, not cat. Okay, so these many things he collected. Why? Because he has to invent a new tonic which will help people to grow up. In the beginning he invented one tonic which helped people to go back at the zero age or less than that also. ठीक है ना, छोटा हो जाना है. जो पहले उन्होंने इन्वेंट किया था वो पीने के बाद क्या, आदमी बड़ा एज से छोटा हो जाता है. और ये जो है ये क्या करना है, इसमें उनको क्या करना है, इसमें उनको एक टॉनिक बनाना है जो एकदम अभी इतने उम्र के थे छोटा बन गया, तो उसको वो बड़ा सेम एज में आने में इट विल टेक टाइम. सो ही थॉट आई विल इन्वेंट another tonic which will help people grow up, right? Now last one was Catello, 700-year-old Catello, and उसके knuckle bones, you know, knuckle, these are called knuckle. Okay, तो उसके पैर के जो knuckle bone he collected, right? Now what happened, all these things he collected, now he has to be in the laboratory. Okay, उनके जो laboratory है, उनके जो practice room है, वहाँ उनको जाना है. all these things he collected. Now he took a pint of sap from the tree, from the bristle tree. The tree's name was bristle tree. All these questions you have to learn. Okay, tortoise कितने साल का था? How old was the tortoise? How old the buffalo, means cattle? So all these points you have to remember, right? And now what he had to do, he just started working on all, using all these things in the laboratory. उनके जो लैब जो है, जो इन्वेंटिंग रूम जो है, देयर ही हैड टू practice, there he has to, or he had to work with all these things, the things he collected, right? And now he started working over there, and now in the end he boiled and tasted the product in his invented room. So सारी चीज़ को मिला के मिक्स करके एक एक चीज़ बनाते, कभी गरम किया, कभी ठंडा किया, कभी उबाला, कभी टेस्ट किया, and then afterwards what happened कि उनको एक चीज़ मिला है. क्या मिला है? कभी गरम किया, कभी ठंडा किया, कभी ये किया, कभी वो किया, तो सारी चीज़ को मिक्स करके उन्होंने एक लिक्विड बना. आफ्टर दैट ही प्रिपेयर्ड अ लिक्विड ऑफ which one is very black in color. And what happened? He produced one small cup full of black liquid. After using all these things, he got a small cup full of black liquid. Now he gave 4 drops of it to a brave young volunteer whose name was Oompa Loompa. उनके साथ जो था असिस्टेंट, उनके साथ जो बॉय था, he used on him, he gave four drops of that liquid to that boy, Oompa Loompa. You have to remember the name. Okay, question will come. And what happened afterwards? What was the result? Charlie asked. Mr. Wonka said that the effect of the medicine was swift and fantastic. The moment that young man gulped down those drops, he began growing old. He began growing old and wrinkled. After taking that medicine, the man he took, no, not boy, the man he took, the small boy he took, and the Charlie, he was the man with him who suggested, and the boy who was working with him, he gave him 4 drops. Okay, and after taking that, he began growing old. बूढ़ा होने लगे है, and he got wrinkled face just like old people they have, no? So after that, all that small boy changes into an old man now. So his hair dropped fall, his hair dropped off. सारे जो बाल है वो सारे गिर गया, all hair dropped off. Okay, and now, and his teeth also started falling out. In an instant, the 20-year-old boy became an old man. Then and then 20-year boy became an old man after taking that medicine. In this way, Vita Wonka was invented. So this is the story. In the beginning, he invented that medicine, which because after taking that medicine, people became younger and or at the 0 age, and after that, which one he invented, that was Vitavunk, and which helped to people become old or grown up. Okay, so he was successful, right? His invention was also successful, and the scientist was successful. Thank you so much. Hope you understood. Bye, take care.